Okay, welcome back to another LeetCode question. In this question, we want to solve the matter of filling the missing data. And it asks us to write a solution to fill the missing value as 0 in the quantity column. So we have name, quantity, and price, which for quantity, the type should be int. And wherever we see something as a missing value, we should replace it with 0. For this, we are going to use the function fillNA. And what we need to do is that we want to say product quantity dot fillNA with value 0 as an integer and in place equal true, since we do not want to keep it separate or do something else. Then return product.